you. You're watching Times Now Live. I'm Pratibha. Ahead of the Haryana Assembly elections, the poll battle has intensified, especially after Vinesh Phogat and Bajrang Punia joined the Congress party and the Grand Old Party fielded Vinesh from Julana constituency. The former BJP MP Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh has now claimed that he has finally been vindicated and the Congress's conspiracy has been exposed. Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh stepped down as the president of the Wrestling Federation of India after facing allegations of sexual harassment and a string of protests across the country, especially headed by the wrestlers. Now, even Brij Bhushan Singh's successor in the WFI, Sanjay Singh, rallied behind Brij Bhushan Singh, saying that the Hoodas had scripted the entire protest at Jantar Mantar. Listen in.
और राजनीति के लिए इन्होंने बेटियों का इस्तेमाल किया, बेटियों को बदनाम किया, विशेष करके महिला खिलाड़ियों के सम्मान को ठेस पहुंचाया। और ये बेटियों के सम्मान के लिए नहीं लड़ रहे थे, ये राजनीति के लिए लड़ रहे थे कि बेटियों का गुनाहगार मैं नहीं हूं। बेटियों के सम्मान का कोई अगर गुनाहगार है तो बजरंग है, दिनेश है, ये आंदोलनकारी है। और जो स्क्रिप्ट लिखा भूपेंद्र हुड्डा ने, ये जिम्मेदार हैं, मैं जिम्मेदार नहीं हूं।
तो यह तो होना ही था। पूरे देश सर्वविदित है कि यह पूरा आंदोलन कांग्रेस के इशारे पे हो रहा था और उसके पूरे कर्ता धर्ता थे दीपेंद्र हुड्डा, हुड्डा फैमिली पूरी। हरियाणा से इसकी चिंगारी लगाई गई और यह इस धरने की नींव उसी दिन पड़ गई थी जिस दिन हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री जी ने भारतीय कुश्ती संघ के अध्यक्ष बृजभूषण शरण सिंह की बड़ाई अपने उससे किया था कि कुश्ती सुरक्षित हाथों में है।
Now, a day after joining the Congress party, Vinesh Phogat has tweeted saying her political journey is filled with new dreams and resolve. She also wrote that whether in politics or in sports, her fight will continue for society and the country. Now, Brij Bhushan's statement triggered a political face-off. The Congress party was quick to throw its weight behind the wrestler-turned-politician who has now joined the Congress party. The Congress said that it will stand with women when they feel unsafe in the society. The BJP, though, slammed the Congress party, accusing it of orchestrating the entire protest using the athletes. Listen into the war of words.
ये जो आंदोलन कर रहे थे ब्रजभूषण जी के खिलाफ, वो ब्रजभूषण जी को आप कह सकते हैं कि बदमाश मार दिया एक थप्पड़, लेकिन उसके चरित्र पर कभी दाग नहीं लगा। ये पहलवान ब्रजभूषण सिंह के खिलाफ आंदोलन नहीं था, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी के खिलाफ आंदोलन कर रहे थे। और वो चेहरा अब साफ हो गया चुनाव लड़ने के बाद और कांग्रेस में शामिल होने के बाद।
जिस प्रकार से विनेश फोगाट को भूपेंद्र सिंह हुड्डा जी ने, चाहे वो जंतर मंतर के ऊपर जो आंदोलन हुआ उसको स्पॉन्सर किया और उसके पश्चात विनेश फोगाट को एक स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट दिया गया। मैं समझता हूँ कि खेलों में इस प्रकार की बात जो है वो नहीं होनी चाहिए। और जो विनेश फोगाट जी को कांग्रेस ने मैदान में उतारा है, उससे कांग्रेस पूरी तरह एक्सपोज हो गई है कि वो खिलाड़ियों के साथ भी खेल कर सकती है।
There are two options before a political party: either to stand with those women or to stand with the perpetrators of crimes against women. The Congress party obviously will choose to stand with the women. BJP is free to stand with the rapists of Bilkis Bano. BJP is free to stand with Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. We can't interfere in their politics. But we are proud to be standing with the women of this country, and therefore the women and the youth of this country choose Congress party as the platform to voice their angst, their anger against these perpetrators of crimes against women.
So the debate now gets louder. Does this raise questions or does it hit the credibility of the protest of Vinesh Phogat, or should the supporters and those who are with her welcome this move because she is now making her foray into politics? Let's open this up and you can decide for yourself. Dr. Rakesh Singh, General Secretary of the Haryana Wrestling Association, joins us on the broadcast, and so does Dr. Nikul Patel, a Congress leader. Thank you for joining us, Dr. Nikul Patel. A lot of BJP leaders have been speaking about, look, now the truth is out. Many had been saying it, we had also been discussing it, but now people can see that the protests were orchestrated by the Hoodas, by the Congress party, and that's why these wrestlers were out on the streets.
See, Bharatiya Janata Party always says that anything happening in the protest against the government or anything happens against the Bharatiya Janata Party, they say that it's a plot of a Congress, whether it is a farmer protest or whether it is the protest by Phogat and other women who were fighting for their own weekend rights. Now, after whatever happened, and now if someone wants to join Congress as their platform to fight against the evil in the country, because we know that how Rahul Gandhi fought for Bharat Jodo Yatra and Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. Ultimately, anyone wants to get Nyaya, they will join the Congress. That is what the ultimate philosophy in the entire country is. Because Bharatiya Janata Party never will accept that they are doing something wrong.
Okay, so you're saying it's for Nyaya that she joined the Congress party. BJP can say whatever it wants, but it's not just the BJP. There's a wrestler who was with Vinesh Phogat through and through during her protest. Sakshi Malik has also come out and said that let our fight not be tainted. We don't want the protest to be questioned. So it's a wrestler who was with Vinesh Phogat the entire time. And she said that, yes, even I got political offers, but I didn't want to take it up because I didn't want to taint this fight.
See, when it was for Kiran Bedi, we can remember how she fought against everything, and then finally she joined Bharatiya Janata Party, and today I think she is very active member in it, and she got the rewards of everything. This is not the way. If someone wants to join a particular political party, it is their own wish and whim. If the federation or the associate feels that they are not in support of joining any political party, it's their own wish. But suppose someone wants to get into a lawmaker and want to fight for the cause and thought process which was against them, then definitely it is welcome step. And we rightly say that the Congress is the party which supports the Nyaya to every citizen in the country.
So Nyaya for Betis is what the Congress party stands for. Dr. Rakesh Singh, उन्होंने लड़ाई लड़ी है, yes, and she herself also said it, सड़क से संसद तक. So it was a natural progression. She continued her protest और अब उन्होंने decide कर लिया है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी was with me throughout and I'll join the Congress.
देखिए मैडम, सबसे पहले दर्शकों को नमस्कार। और हमारे यहाँ पे आंदोलन होते रहे हैं और पहले आंदोलनकारी चीफ मिनिस्टर भी बने हैं हमारे यहाँ पे। और ये प्री प्लान मैंने 1 साल पहले भी आपके चैनल पे बताया था कि प्री प्लान जो है कांग्रेस का काम है और इसमें बहुत बड़े जो है हमारे इंडस्ट्री के लोग भी थे। लेकिन आज वो तिकड़ी कहाँ गई, बजरंग पूनिया के साथ साक्षी मलिक भी थी, वो कहाँ चली गई? ये बड़े मतबल परस्त लोग हैं तीनों चारों, इन्होंने पहलवानों का यूज किया और खासतौर से कांग्रेस ने इनको यूज किया। आज कांग्रेस ने एक को तो बना दिया किसान सेल का अध्यक्ष बना दिया, एक को एमएलए की टिकट दे दिया। तो किसी भी पार्टी में जाए, ज्वाइन करे, ठीक है, राजनीति करनी करें, लेकिन इतनी ओछी राजनीति ना करें जो हमारी हिंदुस्तान की सभी हजारों बेटियों को बदनाम करने का काम किया। और आज चुपचाप से क्या उन बच्चों से इन्होंने पूछा कि हम इलेक्शन में जाएंगे? ये मतबल सीधा करने के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। ये फोगाट फैमिली, वो जाके बबीता फोगाट बैठ गई बीजेपी के उसमें और वो अपनी जमानत जब्त कराई उसने, और ये भी अपनी जमानत जब्त कराएगी, आप देख लेना। और ये दिन दूर नहीं है, अब ये पहलवान आपस में एक दूसरे के कपड़े फाड़ेंगे कि तूने ऐसा क्यों किया, तूने ऐसा क्यों किया, क्योंकि ये अपने हित के लिए करते हैं, ये देश हित में काम नहीं करते हैं। और इन्होंने तो, विनेश ने तो बच्ची का गला घोटने का काम किया। ये 54 किलो वजन में 50 किलो की कुश्ती ये जीत के चली गई। एक दिन में 2 कुश्तियां कभी 2 वजन में नहीं होती हिंदुस्तान में, कोई इनका रूल नहीं है। इसने वो भी काम किया। और बजरंग पूनिया भी जो कहता मैं न्याय दिलवाऊंगा।
Let's not confuse the two issues and let's not raise questions on her Olympics fight. You mentioned that she is somebody who is hailed by the entire country, and it is the Congress party that is trying to rope her in because they know that there is an emotion in favor of her in the country. Dr. Nikul Patel, the Congress party taking advantage of the fight of the wrestlers. They've been fighting and now the Congress party wants to make use of it ahead of the elections.
It is not like that. I think by stating such statement, you are insulting all the sports person who had joined Indian politics for the larger cause of the people of the country. And that is why I want to say to my friend who is next to me in my panel that you are insulting Sachin Tendulkar, who was a Rajya Sabha member. I think you are insulting Gautam Gambhir, who became member of parliament. I think you are insulting Yusuf Pathan and so many other sports person who wants to join the politics. Now, when it comes to Congress, we are never giving such thing what BJP is want to build the perception. We as a party are fighters since the independence, and we used to fight against the evil. And right now, how the Modi government is working in the entire country, we have seen, and how stressful were the days of Fogart when she was on Jantar Mantar. So I think that she realizes that the only fact that if I want to get nyay in the country, I want to be a lawmaker.
And you know, when you speak of nyay, Dr. Rakesh Singh, जब आप बात कर रहे थे protest की, Brijbhushan Sharan Singh has been accused, and today he comes out and says that, look, this is what I had been talking about. The allegations against me are completely false. But these are not mere allegations. Charge sheet has also been filed, and this is the Delhi police that has said and has booked him under several sections, including outraging a woman's modesty, sexual harassment and stalking. So the charges against Brijbhushan Singh are very, very serious. अब विनेश फोगट ने अगर पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन कर लिया है, तो does it mean that we start questioning the allegations that she has made as well?
मैं ये कहता हूं, कितने लोग जंतर मंतर पे जाके मुकदमा दर्ज कराते हैं? पहले जंतर मंतर पे आना चाहिए या पुलिस स्टेशन जाना चाहिए? तो इन लोगों का प्री प्लान काम था कि 4 घंटे के लिए आप बैठ जाओ, सारा काम हो जाएगा। ये एक तो फेडरेशन को हथियाना चाहते थे क्योंकि इनकी कुश्ती समाप्त हो गई थी। एक लड़की हिंदुस्तान की कहती है कि मैंने जो ना 82 बार की जीती हुई लड़की को जापान वाली को हरा दिया। कुश्ती तो रेत जैसा खेल होता है, आज जीत जाओ, 1 घंटे के बाद फिर हार जाओगे। वो इसका लकली था और भगवान ने इसके साथ न्याय किया है। जो कि लड़की, इसने अपने वेट पे कंट्रोल खुद करना चाहिए था, इसको पनिश करना चाहिए था बल्कि।
Dr. Rakesh, I think you're confusing two issues. Talking about Olympics, you're right. And in fact, the kind of statements that had been made questioning her credibility as a wrestler as well, she proved herself at the Olympics. Yes, there was a heartbreak at the end, but she did prove herself on the mat. And, you know, जब सवाल उठाए जाते हैं, विनेश फोगट ने भी यही कहा कि बीजेपी IT सेल had targeted me. तो आप जो कह रहे हैं कि ये पॉलिटिकल था, पूरा कांग्रेस के तरफ से, it was orchestrated by the कांग्रेस पार्टी, विनेश फोगट ने इसके बारे में बात की है। उन्होंने कहा है कि जब वो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे, जब all the wrestlers were protesting, these were the kind of targeted attacks that they had to face, that the BJP IT cell, the BJP leaders continued to raise questions. So they were pushed so much कि उनको लगा कि अब हम कांग्रेस ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं. This was the party that was with us.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। इन लोगों का तो प्री प्लान मैडम काम था पहले से ही, और इन लोगों ने तो अपने साथियों को भी छोड़ दिया है। अब ये अकेले अकेले चुनाव लड़ेंगे, भगवान करे ये मंत्री भी बने, फिर लोगों को पता चलेगा ये किस किस का काम करती है। ये तो अपने सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट के लिए कुछ भी कर सकती है और अपने फायदे के लिए कुछ भी कर सकती है।
Okay, so the protests were motivated, you're saying. Dr. Nikul Patel, you know, when these questions are raised on her joining politics, the questions will continue. The fact that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had met her during her protest, the fact that Dipender Hooda was there to welcome her, that was also political. Back then as well, she was not a part of the Congress party. And the question still remains, if she thought that entering politics is the way to get justice, why Congress? She should not have taken sides. Instead, she could have come as an independent as well.
Yeah, see, very correct. The questions will always come because when any decision is taken in the life, people will pose a question. Now, when it comes to Fogartji, we have seen that they were still sitting on a protest, and Congress, definitely someone in the country, when it was a farmer protest or anything happening in the country, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Vadra ji, they used to go to the meet and people and understand what is their problem. And they are the member of parliament. They are the people's representative putting their questions on the floor. And that was the pressure which was built on the Narendra Modi government, which forced the Bhushanji to come down from his post. That is what the entire thing happened. Now, after whatever happened, and if somebody wants to join Congress, we welcome everyone. And we rightly say that we are the party. We used to fight for the cause, and definitely we are working for it. As Rahul Gandhi said that.
But does it raise questions on the protest itself? Does it leave room for people to question the credibility of the protest? Because she is now part of the Congress party, by bringing her into the Congress party, did the Congress party, in fact, slighten her protest? Did they take away the anger that her protest was garnering, the support that her protest was garnering? Because now people are raising questions on whether this is merely a political fight.
See, I have to answer?
Yes.
See, people of Haryana will decide and their constituency that whether Fogartji was correct or not. If she wins and she do good for the cause, then definitely people will remember her. And the days were not far enough when Congress as well as the Fogartji will try to prove that we are really fighting for the cause. And if you see Bharatiya Janata Party is claiming that we are in the Parivarwad, then what Bhushanji's son got the ticket, that was not Parivarwad. If
Okay.
really Bharatiya Janata Party want to stand for something, then they must have not given ticket to his son. As well as in the Karnataka, Revan Reddy.
Okay.
The Karnataka,
Okay.
that MP, Narendra Modi.
Mr.
himself
Revanth
went to
Reddy is in your party.
Yeah.
Mr. Nikhil Patel, Revanth Reddy is in your party. All right, but I get your point. Dr. Rakesh, the Congress party raising these questions that these protesters were protesting, yes, they were out on the streets और उन्होंने उसकी बात भी की. उन्होंने कहा कि जब हम सड़क पे थे, it was the Congress party that was with us. Who stopped the BJP? अगर BJP wanted to support the protesters, had spoken to them, then maybe they would have never joined politics.
अच्छा, जो बच्चा विदेश से कोई मेडल लेके आएगा तो उसके लिए देश में कानून अलग बनेगा क्या? जो वो हिंदुस्तान की गरिमा को खराब करने जा रहे थे, वो आराम से बैठे थे, पुलिस ने कुछ भी नहीं किया. जब हिंदुस्तान की शान, हमारे जो उसका लोकसभा का अपना उद्घाटन होने वाला था, इन लोगों ने हमारे देश को नीचा दिखाने का काम किया, तो पुलिस क्या करेगी? उसमें बीजेपी क्या करेगी? इसका मतलब इनके साथ खून माफ थोड़ी है. जो आदमी मतलब एक मेडल लेके आएगा तो हिंदुस्तान में कुछ भी करेगा, वो तो कानून नहीं हो सकता इस देश में.
Okay, let's not make any personal comments, but you're saying that now questions will be raised, and that's the reason why questions had been raised in the first place. Those who question the credibility will only get ammunition that now that Vinesh and Bajrang Punia have decided to join the Congress party. But ultimately, it is, of course, the people of Haryana who will decide the fate of the two wrestlers. Thank you so much for joining us, Dr. Rakesh Singh, as well as Dr. Nikhil Patel. We'll have to leave.